By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what you need to be posting on TikTok to get 100,000 views every single time you post, no matter how many followers you have. And make sure you stick around for the end of the video because I'm gonna be sharing with you an exact post that I think will get you 100,000 views on TikTok if you post it in the next 48 hours. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Robert Benjamin. I'm the CEO of helping you grow on TikTok and make videos about the algorithm, how to go viral, and so much more. Please make sure you leave a comment below. I am answering every single comment that I get on my YouTube videos. I can't wait to help you grow. Also, if you find this video valuable, please make sure you smash that subscribe button so you never miss another one of my episodes. Now let's get right into it. Right now, there is more organic reach than ever before on TikTok if you're able to get on the For You page. Note that I said if you're able to get on the For You page. That being said, it is harder to get on the For You page now, but since less posts are getting on the For You page, you know what that means? If you get on the For You page, you actually get way more views, way more followers than you could have ever imagined and than you ever could have before. This means, again, more views, more followers if you're able to get on the For You page. And if you are able to get on the For You page with the metrics that I'm gonna be sharing in just a second, well then guess what? Odds are you're gonna be able to make 100,000 views every single time you post, no matter how many followers you have, as long as you do two simple things right. First, you need to be making content that TikTok thinks they have an audience for. The way the For You page works and the way that it's going to work in the future is basically TikTok wants you to make content that's similar to other pieces of content that have gotten people to stay on the app. TikTok is now rolling out more ads than ever before, and you know what that means? That means that they change the algorithm so that the only content that's getting pushed is content that actually keeps people on the app. What does that mean? That means that watch time is the most important metric when it comes to growing on TikTok, when it comes to getting on the For You page, and most importantly, when it comes to getting views on TikTok. If your video is less than 15 seconds long, you need to have over 100% watch time. If they're over 15 seconds long, you're gonna wanna aim for 75%, and if they're over 30 seconds long, you guys need to be aiming for 50% watch time. If you're not hitting those metrics and you're not creating content that looks like something that has kept people on TikTok before, well then guess what? Your video is not gonna get any views. You're actually gonna see a decrease in views, and you may start to lose followers. So please, make sure you take those things into consideration. That being said, I know this video is about getting over 100,000 views every single time you post, but if you're not able to hit that, I don't think that that's actually that big of a deal. Yes, it'd be great to get 100,000 views every single time you post, but I don't think that's what you should be aiming for. The reason being, if you were to post once a day and get 100,000 views, or you were to post 4 times a day and get 25,000 views each time, so you total 100,000 views, you're actually going to get more followers and build a much stronger community doing those 4 posts. In addition to that, it's gonna increase the odds of you going viral, it's gonna increase the odds of people duet your stuff, people stitch your stuff, and it's going to increase the amount of followers that you get. And probably most importantly, it's just gonna make you a way better TikTok creator, and it's gonna make you way better when the algorithm changes again, because trust me, it will in the future. Another thing to note, if you were to do 4 posts, 25,000 each, totaling to 100,000, compared to just posting once a day and getting 100,000 views every single time you post, you'll actually make more money on the creator fund the more often that you post, because you're gonna be hitting a different audience. If you do a post and it gets 100,000 views, but the audience was young, or the audience wasn't in the US, or some weird metric like that, it's actually going to significantly decrease the amount of money that you get paid from the creator fund. So if you do 4 posts getting 25,000 views each, again, totaling to that 100,000 views, you're actually going to make more money from the creator fund. So all of that being said, if you're able to hit the watch time metrics that I just told you about, I strongly suggest you increase the length of your posts. For example, if you're hitting it at 11 seconds, make your next video 14. If you're hitting it at 14, make your next video 17, etc., because the higher watch time that you could get on a longer post, the more views you're gonna get, the larger the odds of you actually going viral on TikTok. If you could do a 60-second post and get 35% watch time, your posts are going to go viral almost every single time that you post them, given that you're actually creating content that TikTok thinks they have an audience for. But that being said, I get the question all the times in my DMs, in the comments below, Rob, how can I make a 60-second video that gets that high amount of watch time? Well, you start by doing an 8-second video that gets the amount of watch time you need. And then you increase it, and then you increase it, and then you increase it. And what that's gonna do is make you a way better content creator, make you way better at knowing what TikTok wants, and just make you better at getting more views and more followers on TikTok. And please, for those of you that are just getting started on TikTok, if your first post doesn't go viral, or your first 5 posts don't go viral, don't worry. Your first 5 posts do not matter. I don't know who made up that rumor, but it does not matter at all. I posted 50 terrible videos on my account. The biggest creator I've ever helped grow, Devin R. Rodriguez, over 14 million followers, did horrible videos on his account before he actually started to post what TikTok wanted, and it didn't matter. You can still blow up overnight. You can still gain 1 million followers in a day. You can still go viral. You could even have posts flop, be terrible at creating content, then switch things up, do what I'm actually telling you to do in this video and the post that I'm going to be sharing with you in just a little bit, and that can totally change the trajectory of your account. account. Account authority doesn't matter. Your first 5 posts don't matter. Account authority doesn't matter as long as you're not getting a ton of community guidelines violations, you're getting banned from live, you're getting banned in general, but we'll chat more about that in a little bit. So the easiest way to get 100,000 views every single time you post on TikTok is actually do one of 3 things. First, repost your old videos. If you had a video go viral, the odds are that if you repost it, it'll go viral again and it will actually get even more views. I've had so many creators do this and so many more creators blow up from doing this, especially if they get people to start clicking the plus sign in the repost. You can do that by adding that text onto the end of the screen. The second easiest way to get 100,000 views every single time you post is to find viral stitches and viral duets that you've seen on the For You page, recreate them and recreate them better. And again, make sure you're getting people to click that plus sign at the end of the video. If you can recreate somebody's duet or somebody's stitch that you've seen on the For You page by literally just clicking on the original video, then stitching it or then duetting it and do a better job. If it's a reaction video, add more emotion, add more of a hook into it, add something that people are gonna wanna see even more to what's already on that video. Well then guess what? TikTok knows that those videos have gone viral before. It's going to get a large amount of watch time just naturally, and they're gonna know exactly who to push it out to, which is gonna result in you getting over 100,000 views. And then the third thing that you need to be doing is implementing challenge content into your content on TikTok. I don't care what niche you're in, you can benefit from adding challenges into your content. Here's how you're gonna find them. Go onto TikTok, go into the search function, look up hashtag challenge, hashtag TikTok challenge. You will see a ton of challenges under there. I want you guys to duet these videos, stitch these videos, well, don't stitch these videos, duet these videos, recreate these videos, and it's gonna make you a way better TikTok creator, and odds are those posts will go viral. The reason that challenges work, 2 reasons. First, they naturally come with a really good hook, which is why people wanna stick around for them. Secondly, it plays on the human psyche and actually gets somebody to wanna watch the video all the way through the end. And what does that mean? If you hook somebody in, they watch the whole entire thing, and it's something you've already seen under the hashtags that crushed it, or maybe you saw it on your For You page, well then TikTok knows they have an audience for that content. It's really easy content to make, especially if you could get people to click the plus sign within it or get them to engage with the content. Those posts will go viral, I guarantee it. That being said, make sure you guys are not duetting or recreating videos that could be flagged for fraud or misleading somebody. A lot of challenge content does do that, but if you're seeing something on the hashtags or seeing something on the For You page and it's still there, odds are it won't get flagged. I did just want to say that though, because some of you might do a challenge piece of content that's a total lie or that TikTok might think is fraud, and then what ends up happening is actually take that video down. But all you have to do in that situation, as long as you didn't say anything crazy, like I'm gonna give you $1 million if you watch this video until the end, then all you have to do is appeal the video and you'll actually get the video reinstated. It'll get back on the For You page and you'll continue to get a ton of views from it. So there you guys have it. If you wanna get 100,000 views every single time you post on TikTok, all you have to do is follow the blueprint that I just laid out for you. But remember, you might not wanna get 100,000 views every single time you post. And for those of you that are still struggling to get the views you want, to get the growth that you want on TikTok, I strongly suggest you check out my mentorship program at the link in the description. It's basically a TikTok coaching program. You're gonna go through a 6 steps to becoming a TikTok expert course. You're going to send me some information on your account. I'm gonna send you back a personalized plan specifically for you, for your country, for your language, for your niche, for your account. It's gonna tell you when to post, what hashtags to use, what you're doing wrong, and so much more information. And then after you get the personalized plan, I am going to be following up with you a few days a week and telling you what to do, critiquing your content for the next 30 days so that you get guaranteed growth on TikTok. You heard that right. If you don't grow in this program, you are going to get your money back, no questions asked. If that sounds like something you want, TikTok coaching. Now remember, actors have coaches, athletes have coaches, entrepreneurs have coaches. You guys might need a coach too if you want to grow faster on TikTok or you want to get more views. If not, then I strongly suggest you check out the few videos that I'm going to leave right here, because YouTube thinks that you guys should watch these videos next.